if you're gonna photograph it, there are other glasses that are better. That glass would be better. Here's another of that glass. So let me put these away. To make a sea breeze cocktail. There we go. Here is the here's the vodka you brought to me tonight. So I'll open this. We're not making a tall one. Gotta chill that a little bit. When I got to find the ingredients back here. So first it requires adding the grapefruit juice. Oh, I didn't shake this up properly. So you want to get the density of the liquids to be appropriate. Then you pour in the cranberry juice cocktail. But this is the amazing part. And if you're photographing it, we can do it in 2 rounds because you'll see this density wave that occurs in a color. Here, watch this. Or watch it again here. And that's why it's called the sea breeze, is in the way that the 2 fluids come together in a different color fashion. Anyway, would you like one?
Well, there is 2, isn't there?
Yes. They're a tasty cocktail. Cheers.